Hey family, it's your girl Lady D here, and I'm back with you with another mukbang. Today I am having a seafood boyola. A seafood boyola. I got some snow crab legs. I got some shrimp. I got some boiled eggs and some corn. Got my lemon wedges and my smackalicious sauce on deck. No potatoes today. Like I done had potatoes twice already this week, so I said no potatoes for this boil. So that's what I'm having, y'all. That's what I'm having, y'all. How is everyone doing today? I am doing well. Thank you so much for asking. Y'all always be caring and checking up on me, don't you? I like that. I like that. Thank you so much. I'm hungry too, y'all, so I am ready to dig in. I'm going to try. Start off with one of these shrimp. Oh, this sauce is hot. It is hot. Okay. I don't gotta ask a couple times. How many? Well, how much Macalicious sauce you got, Lady D? Just know that I ordered my first share, okay? I think I stated it in one of the videos. How many I bought? It might be the one the Pearl video when I showed, no, the merchandise. I think I told you how many I bought in that video. I think I said it then. Well, somewhere around that time. Y'all know me and it's going now. It's he. And that's what you want it to be red. You want that corn turn red when you dip it in that sauce. Ooh, it's hot. The corn is hot itself, and I know this sauce gonna really make. Oh, see them spices on that corn. I'm sorry, y'all won't bite that corn with them spices. I got some Pepsi, y'all. No, that's my favorite too. My favoriteest drink. My favoriteest. Is that a word? Favoriteest. Ha. Favorite drink. I'll offer y'all some of this. Come offer y'all some corn. Y'all want some meat? Buy that shrimp with that onion, y'all. Let that corn marinate in that sauce for a minute. Let's let it marinate. And then this ain't like it really soak in after you eat the corn off of the what's it called? The hook. It really, this Macalicious sauce really good up in them grooves, and that's really good up in there. You know, ain't no more corn in there, but we'll go up in there and bite some of that and get some of that sauce up out of there. Here I go with that soda, huh? And I'll be hollering I'm full in a minute. I'll be hollering I'm full in a minute. I'm gonna try not to get full. I'm gonna try to get with these snow crab legs. Have to dip that fuss. Get that meat out of that end. Come on, baby, like my fur. Oh, got a mess back here. Can't lean in too far. I'm having stuff all over my shirt. Ooh. Which one y'all prefer, rather the king crab or the snow crab? I love the snow crab. I've heard people say it was sweeter, but to me it's more, got more like a salty taste. And Lady D like her some salt, y'all. I do admit though, not as much as I used to. Guess I'm getting older. I ain't gonna say old, I'm getting older. But we all getting older. And my taste buds changing a little bit, so I can't stand stuff too salty. But it used to be a time, hunty. Wasn't no such thing as too much salt. But like now, I can't take it too much salt no more. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let me rain. That's the big love say that. Let me rain. It's shooting all across the room. So what y'all up to today? What you got going on? I'm just chilling today. Trying to grind out a couple of these videos. No idea. Gotta get it in when you can fit it in. So I'm trying to fit it in today. I gotta do a few. It's back to work in a minute. Egg with the onion on it. Let's see here. Ooh, wee. Oh boy. So you say you up to what today? You got what going? Who got the big Valentine's Day plans? Who got the big Valentine's Day plans? Most Valentine's Day, I be working hard. Not necessarily at the job, but I'll be doing stuff. Trying to help other people enjoy their Valentine's Day. Making candy and stuff. Bouquets and stuff. That's what Lady D do, y'all. Trying to bring joy to other people. So that's what I'm about doing all day. Put some lemon on that one. I should have put some lemon on that one. It's mild sauce, y'all can still. If it's right there. I think it say mild right there. It's mild. Yep. Messing up my shit. It's worth it. Oh, that corn be hidden. Corn be hitting. Dang. Can't remember the name of it, man. I was looking like something on channel. Oh, you know what I was looking. Still can't remember the name of it, but I had put my name in on the search engine. on YouTube. I type in Lady D's delicious dish. And just scroll down through all the little pictures. You know, I didn't hit videos or nothing. Some other page popped up there. And I was kind of interested. I'm like, why they pop up there? That's not me. I can't even think of the name of the dang on channel. That don't make no sense. What the name of the channel, the YouTube channel name that popped up. But the topic was, it said, most underrated mukbangers on YouTube. And I'm like, why did it pop up? So I touched it. Boop. Checking down and got a list of, I think, 6 people. Why was my name on the list, y'all? I was just so, I was younger. I was like, oh my God. And it had been up there since like December or something. They had posted this. But this, I guess this is like a channel that does things like that, because it was like the most underrated, the most popular, the most, you know, it just, and that just kind of touched me. Because I would have never in a million years figured nobody had seen me. You know what I mean? Small YouTubers, like real small, that's what I'm, And the video they had put up and posted of me eating was one of the ones I would just have never thought. Me eating some catfish. Yeah. And this was like one I did. I've been home here 5 months, I think. I might have been on here 2 months. And I'm like, wow. A 2-month video and somebody think I'm underrated, like I should get more recognition. I may do this, mean I might be going places one day. I hope so. Wow. It really meant a lot to me. I just couldn't believe it. Shame I can't think of the name of it. But I subscribed. I did. I really did. And left my comment of thanks. I just couldn't. All these channels out here, I'm like, you think I'm under? Oh, wow, me? Wow. It was just, I could not believe it. You know how you have to look at something 2-3 times? Do that say? Do that say? Do that say? And then I'm like, looking at all the videos, and I'm like, which one did they pick that made them think this? I'm like, oh my goodness. So hopefully, y'all, I'm trying. For real. I promise. I think I'm getting a little more comfortable with it every day. And I have people who say they can see that I seem to be more comfortable. And I'm real comfortable saying, like, when, like, now I'm home alone, and nobody listening or walking around, or, you know what I'm saying? More comfortable by myself. And hopefully I get out of that too, where it don't matter. You know what I mean? Hopefully I can vlog out in public and, you know, in the stores and do some things and not be worried about, you know, who's looking and listening. Hopefully this coming. Well, hopefully it's coming. But all things take time. It's been 5 months, so it's been 5 months. Got nowhere to go but up, like they would Otis Williams say in the Temptation movies. And look, when you down like this, you ain't nowhere else you can go but up. So, nowhere else to go but up. And I so appreciate everybody who comments and thumbs up and, you know, I do. I may not get around and come back and respond as quick as you like, but just know I'm coming. We all got busy lives. We all be doing stuff. We got to still carry on. But I'm coming as soon as I can, I promise you. And check out them videos and leave them comments and respond to your comments and come to your page and check you out and leave you a comment, you know. We try not to take it personal, we do. Because we all got those channels that we comment on and you never get a word back. Let's see, smaller YouTubers and semi-smaller YouTubers. All you get is you know, that heart. But they might never come to your page and say nothing, but you can't take that personal either. You just have to look at it like people be busy. Or, well, I ain't gonna say just flat out say, or maybe they not just interested in what you're doing, but you know what I mean? Just everybody people got different reasons for doing different things, for the way they act and react to different things. So, nose itching. Nose itching. Like I said, I might not answer right away, but I'm coming. I might not comment in 2-3 days on something you put out, but I'm coming. Give me a minute, please. I ain't lost no love with nobody. I'll still love you just the same. Is it a written rule that you're supposed to finish your food when you do a mukbang? Cause I didn't think it was. I just thought you was coming to interact with your audience and break bread, or and even, I mean, even because you know, look at ASMR, you're not talking, so what is it? Do mukbang mean finish all your food? And some people have too much food to finish, so. But it seems like some people expect you to finish all your food. I don't understand that. It's just like, you know, I ain't gonna finish all this food. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna eat till I can't eat no more, but Sometimes you just get some comments you just don't understand. You know, you like, what the, in the what? What? But I guess there's so many different types of folks. So many different opinions. And you're not gonna please everybody. So people wake up in the morning just to have some negative stuff to say to you. So it's expected, I guess. Some people days ain't going good unless they trying to tear somebody else's days down. So that's what they wake up for. Let's see who I can bring down today, tear down today, hurt today, destroy today, make sad today. That is really sad. That is really sad. One time I think if you ain't got nothing nice to say, just move on. Zip it. Zip it. I mean, that's my opinion, my channel, my opinion. You know? That's my opinion. It goes like with the thumbs down. If you don't like something, move on. What the huh? I don't get it, man. But they say the thumbs up count just the same as the thumbs down. You gave me a view. And you gave me an opinion. What they say? You can find out who thumbs down, but do you really want to? Because you can find out and get the shock of your life, and then you're going to be like, oh, really? Well, I don't think I would want to know. Then they say they're going to remove the thumbs down. You know, you hear so many different things. In these YT streets, there's so many different things. Who knows? Who knows? I know one thing though, trying to get to these 4,000 hours ain't no joke. You be seeming so close and so far away all at the same time. Goodness gracious. My mom was like, now I'm supposed to play this playlist for how long? Because this thing been, I said, Mom, if it ain't bothering you, please don't bother it. Just let it run. Watch the playlist. Oh, I said, watch the playlist. You ain't got nowhere to go. Phone on the charger. So. Woo! Ooh, y'all know that soda be so delicious to me. I'm eating all your food. I'm getting there now, huh? I'm getting pretty close, y'all. I'm cranking out a video. I'm gonna get this food and go sit in that recliner. And ID will be watching me. about a hour. Y'all see this mess back here? And I keep leaning into. I keep leaning into it, y'all. Come on now. Y'all see that? No, y'all don't see that because y'all gone. I'm here by myself. I already know. I already know. 33 minutes. Y'all been gone. I thank y'all for the time y'all did spend. Nobody ever heard this part, do it? Thank you. I got left y'all a piece of corn, 2 little things, and an egg. I think I did real good, y'all. Real good in the neighborhood. So I'm gonna end it here. Well, I'm dropping stuff on the floor. Thank you so much for joining me, for checking out this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you're not already a member. Please thumbs up the video. Leave me a comment down below. Till next time, next video. Remember, you're always welcome here at Lady D's, where you never leave here hungry. Till next time, bye-bye.